Hi, we're here today in Florence at the Eureka Coffee Corner. Today, we want to show you how to make really good espresso. For that we have the Eureka Specialita and the Eureka Costanza vibration pump. But before we can get started, we need to fill the tank first. So, back with fresh water. Can it be easily put back in? Put the lid. And then we can get started. Turn the machine. And then we have a waiting time of 12 to 15 minutes. Today we want to make really good espresso together. For that we obviously need to adjust the grinder, and we want to work according to a recipe. Our recipe today is 18 grams in the portafilter with a brewing time of 28 seconds, and we want to have 40 to 45 milliliters in the cup. But before we can make a good espresso, we first need to find the sweet spot on the grinder, 40 to 45 milliliters. But before we can make a good espresso, we first need to find the sweet spot on the grinder. And I'll show you how to do that now, to find the perfect grind size. I recommend that you first find the sweet spot on the grinder. And here, Eureka has released a nice new accessory. The yonking size is a great part. Now that we've found the sweet spot, we can start grinding the espresso. And for that, of course, you need coffee in the grinder. What 3 points do we need to consider to make a really good espresso? First, we have the grind size. Second is the amount. And third, of course, we have the extraction time. Let's just get started. To adjust the grind size, I like to use the manual mode, because then we can remember time later that we needed to set it for our double espresso. But for now, let's stay in manual mode. Now we have We have 17.6 grams with an extraction time of 8.4 seconds. Time. Now we can of course go for the double shot and adjust it. We're at 8.4 seconds. And now I would try it again with 8.6 for the next shot. I would say you can definitely give the espresso a try. Now we have exactly 18 grams. And I would say we can test how well the espresso is running. As we have seen nicely now, the espresso was running way too fast. We need to make the grind a bit finer again. In that case, if we have too much coffee in the portafilter, we can also use a small spoon and take out a little bit, reach the weight from the recipe. Now we have exactly 18 grams and we're going to try it again. Now we have the perfect espresso. Greetings